experience. The Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque is the largest mosque in Oman, located at the capital city of Muscat. The mosque was built as a gift of Qaboos bin Zaid. The Sultan of Oman has a gift to the country.
Mathura Souk is one of the oldest markets in Oman. Dating back on 200 years, Indian traders were the first retailers in the market. Al-Alam Palace is the ceremonial palace of the Sultan of Oman. It is used for official functions like welcoming foreign dignitaries and head of state. Bhima Singhal is water from depression, certainly Singhal is the limestone of eastern Muscat governing from the Sultanate of the Miswak Fort is the last Miswak, Oman built in 17th century.
Turtle Beach. The turtle reserve in Oman is one of the world's largest nesting sites for endangered green sea turtles. Each year, approx 10,000 of sea turtles migrate to the Arabian Peninsula to lay thousands of eggs.
Great Al-Zubair Museum. This museum provides exhibits that focus on the cultural history of Oman. Outside the museum is a full-scale Omani village and zoo. Jabal Akhtar Mountains are famous for its labyrinth of valleys and terrace orchards where pomegranates, apricots and roses are grown in abundance. Wahba Sands Desert is a highly tophagy trip to Oman. The impressive orange sand dunes offers a unique experience, especially at sunrise and sunset.